Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to add a site favicon in Squarespace. First, you will want to log into your Squarespace website. From there, you will go to settings, and in the website settings, you will go to favicon. From here, you will upload an image that you would like shown in your address bar next to your name in your browser tab. You can add a default image here, and then if you would like to add an alternative one for when computers are in dark mode, you can do that here. They like this size to be about 100 by 100 or 300 by 300 pixels. Once you have your images uploaded, you'll click Save. This will add your image to your browser tab.